Hey guys, subscribe Narcissus and press the bell icon for get the latest notification.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं राकेश और आप देख रहे हैं नर्सेज अब यूट्यूब चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन बात करेंगे ईएसआईसी एम्स के जो स्टाफ नर्स के जो सोल्व पेपर हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर में आए हुए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हैं, उनके विद रैशनल आज अपन पार्ट फोर्थ डिस्कशन करेंगे। इस पार्ट फोर्थ में अपन जो 100 क्वेश्चन है वो सारे कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं उस वीडियो को। फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में अपन 61 to 100 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करेंगे और प्रीवियस जो वीडियो बनाए थे उनमें अपन ने 60 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कर लिए थे। तो अब जो ये वीडियो है इसके अंदर पूरे क्वेश्चन करेंगे, तो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखते रहना। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं 61 नंबर क्वेश्चन। एट विच एज ए बेबी कैन होल्ड ए स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट बिटवीन इंडेक्स फिंगर एंड थंब? 4 month, B 6 month, C 9 month, C 7 month, D 9 month. Right answer is D 9 month. Fine motor development, 9 month age, a baby can hold a small object between index finger and thumb. A couple has a 2-year-old child with cystic fibrosis. When planning their next pregnancy, the couple should undergo A. Genetic counseling, B. Psychological counseling, C. Counseling regarding transmission of sexually transmitted disease, D. torch test. तो इसमें राइट आंसर होगा जेनेटिक काउंसलिंग। इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि जो बेबी है उसका स्वीट क्लोराइड टेस्ट करेंगे तो उसके अंदर मोर देन 60 मिली इक्विवेलेंट पर लीटर आएगा और नॉर्मल होता है 40 मिली इक्विवेलेंट पर लीटर। अगर इससे ज़्यादा आता है 60 से तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा टेस्ट। नॉर्मल थेराप्यूटिक सीरम डिजॉक्सिन लेवल इज 0.5 to 2 नैनोग्राम पर ml, B 2 to 3 नैनोग्राम पर ml, C 3 to 5 नैनोग्राम पर ml, D 5 to 7 नैनोग्राम पर ml. Right answer is A 0.5 to 2 nanogram per ml. The normal level of digoxin is between 0.5 to 2 nanogram per ml of medication of blood. If you are being treated for a heart arrhythmia, the normal level of the drugs between 1.5 to 2.5 nanogram per ml if your test result fall outside of the normal range. Which laboratory study would assist in confirming the diagnosis of rheumatic fever? A. Bun, B. HB, C. WBC count, D. ASO titer. The right answer is D. ASO titer. Antibody titer test used including ASO test, anti-streptococcal DNA B test and the anti-streptococcal hyaluronidase test. Tetralogy of Fallot is characterized by the following except A. Atrial septal defect, B. Ventricular septal defect, C. Overriding of aorta and D. Pulmonary infundibular contraction. एक इससे रिलेटेड मैंने कम्युनिटी टैब में यूट्यूब के वहाँ पर भी क्वेश्चन टाइप किया था, तो वहाँ पर भी लोगों ने रॉन्ग आंसर दिया था। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने नहीं देखा था अभी वहाँ पर जाके विजिट करके देख सकते हो। तो इसमें राइट आंसर होगा ए. एट्रियल सेप्टल डिफेक्ट। हार्ट विथ टेट्रोलॉजी ऑफ फेलोट, टेट्रा मतलब 4, तो इसमें 4 जो डिजीज हैं वो इंक्लूड हैं, इसलिए इसका नाम है टेट्रालॉजी। ए. पल्मोनरी स्टेनोसिस, बी. ओवरराइडिंग ऑफ अओर्टा, सी. वेंट्रिकुलर सेप्टल डिफेक्ट एंड डी. राइट वेंट्रिकुलर हाइपरट्रोफी। ये 4 इसके पार्ट हो गए टेट्रोलॉजी ऑफ फेलोट के। तो इसके अंदर एक है वो अलग है क्योंकि इसमें एक्सेप्ट क्वेश्चन दे रखा है, तो इसी के अंदर जो मैनी स्टूडेंट हैं वो इसमें गलती कर देते हैं। व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ IMNCI? A. International Management of Neonate and Childhood Illness, B. Indian Maintenance of Neonate and Childhood Illness, C. Integrated Management of Neonatal and Childhood Illness and D. Incorporated management of neonatal and childhood illness. The right answer is C. Integrated management of neonatal and childhood illness. Integrated management of neonatal and childhood illness. Close to 50% of newborn death in India occur during the first 7 days of birth. Next, when neonate's head is turned slowly from right to left side, normally eye do not move. It shows the presence of A. Moro reflex, B. Blinking reflex, C. Gagging reflex and D. Doll's eye reflex. इसमें होगा राइट आंसर इज डोल आई रिफ्लेक्स। इसमें जब आपने कोई खिलौना देखा होगा तो उसमें आप रोटेट करते हो तो उसकी आई है जो एक जगह रहती है और बाकी जो खिलौना होता है उसमें जो उसका हेड है वो टर्न आउट कर लेता है, लेकिन जो उसकी आई है वो एक जगह फिक्स होती है। उसी प्रकार से इसके अंदर है कि न्यूनेट है वो हेड को टर्न कर लेता है स्लोली राइट टू लेफ्ट साइड। नॉर्मली आई डू नॉट मूव, तो जिसकी आई है वो मूव नहीं करती और बाकी जो उसका जो हेड है वो टर्न कर लेता है। ब्रून्स बेबी सिंड्रोम इज characterized by dementia, diarrhea and dermatitis. B. Vegan chest, bony deformity and curved legs, brownish black color of skin, serum and urine, presence of blood in vomitus. Brown's baby syndrome. Right answer is brownish black color of skin, serum and urine. An intense grey baby discoloration of the skin, serum and urine and amnesia occurred in a premature infant when phototherapy was used to reduce hyperbilirubinemia. Pre-existing hepatic disease was suspected as a cause of jaundice and may have prevented the biliary excretion of the photooxidation products of bilirubin. Their retention results in the Brunn's discoloration. A disproportionately high saturation of the serum albumin with bilirubin was observed, suggesting that the retained pigments may compete with bilirubin for protein binding or that the phototherapy altered the capacity of albumin to bind bilirubin. Which are the TABC for resuscitation? सभी को पता है। राइट आंसर इज टेम्परेचर, एयरवे, ब्रीदिंग, सर्कुलेशन। Maturation of function or skills in a child is known as growth, B. Development, C. Increment, D. Progress. Right answer is B. Development. Specific maturation of function. It is related to the maturation and myelination of the nervous system and indicate variety of skill for optimal functioning of the individual. Vitamin K is prescribed for a neonate. A nurse prepared to administer the medication in which muscle site? A. Deltoid, B. Triceps, C. Vastus lateralis, D. Biceps. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, रिपीट होता रहता है एग्जाम के अंदर। राइट आंसर इज सी. वास्टस लेटरलिस. विजुअल हेलुसिनेशन इज सीन इन alcoholism, mania, depression, phobia. Right answer is A. Alcoholism. Auditory hallucination not seen in schizophrenia, mania, hysteria, amphetamine toxicity. Right answer is C. Hysteria. Drug which cause in hallucination is A. Ketamine, B. Galamine, C. D. Tubocure, D. Pancuronium. Right answer is A. Ketamine. Ketamine drugs cause is hallucination. Rorschach's projective test designed to measure unconscious intentions, dreams, conscious desire, D. Brain size. Right answer is A. Unconscious intentions. Rorschach's ink blot test is also called Rorschach test. Is a method of psychological evaluation. Psychologists are use this test in an attempt to examine personality characteristics and emotional functioning of their patient. तो इसमें अगर क्वेश्चन इस प्रकार से भी आ जाए, पर्सनैलिटी करेक्टरिस्टिक्स के लिए कौन सा टेस्ट किया जाता है या इमोशनल फंक्शनिंग के लिए कौन सा टेस्ट किया जाता है, तो इन दोनों में भी यही आएगा। नेक्स्ट, इमोशन कैन बी टेस्ट बेस्ट एक्सप्रेस्ड थ्रू गेस्चर, बी लैंग्वेज, सी पोस्चर एंड डी ऑल ऑफ द अबोव। इमोशन के लिए सारे सही है, गेस्चर, लैंग्वेज, पोस्चर। Which of the following part controls eating behavior? A. Hypothalamus, B. Pituitary gland, C. Pineal gland, D. Pancreas. Right answer is A. Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is control hunger and eating behavior. Which of the following is the manifestation of pyloric stenosis? A. Projectile vomiting, B. Regurgitation, C. Steatorrhea, and D. Tenesmus. Vomiting. Right answer is A. Projectile vomiting. Vomiting with the material ejection with great force seen commonly in congenital pyloric stenosis. One of the major causes for cirrhosis of liver is A. Alcohol abuse, B. Drug abuse, C. Smoking, D. Hepatitis A. Right answer is A. Alcohol abuse. Alcohol is the major cause of cirrhosis of liver. Preoperative preparation for appendectomy not include enema state, B. consent, C. skin preparation, D. removal of ज्वेलरीज। प्री ऑपरेटिव प्रिपरेशन अपेंडेक्टोमी में इसलिए नहीं करते क्योंकि अगर पहले अपन ने एनिमा दे दिया तो वो रप्चर होने के चांस बन जाएंगे अपेंडिक्स का, और अपेंडिक्स रप्चर हो जाएगा तो इन्फ्लामेशन होके और क्रिटिकल कंडीशन बन जाएगी, इस वजह से एनिमा उसको स्टेट में नहीं देते। Which of the following physiological responses is considered normal in the early postpartum period? Urinary urgency and dysuria, B. rapid diuresis, C. decrease in blood pressure, D. increased motility of the GI system. Right answer is B. rapid diuresis.
In the early postpartum period, there is an increase in the glomerular filtration rate and a drop in the progesterone level, which result in rapid diuresis. There should be no urinary urgency through a woman may feel anxious about voiding C and D. There is a minimal changes in the blood pressure following childbirth and a residual decrease in GI motility.
Which of the following is expected from a patient who had coronary artery bypass graft with memory artery graft a week before? Ankle edema, B. depression, C. dizziness, D. memory lapses. Right answer is B. depression. Following CABG patient commonly experience depression, fatigue, incisional chest discomfort, dyspnea and anorexia. Depression typically resolves on its own and does not require medical intervention. Which of the following fetal position is the most favorable for birth? Vertex presentation, transverse lie, Frank bridge presentation, posterior position of the fetal head. Right answer is A. vertex presentation. Vertex presentation is the optimal presentation for passes through the birth canal. Option B. Transverse lie is an unacceptable fetal position for vaginal birth and require a C-section. Which type of lochia should the nurse expect to find in a client 2 days postpartum? Foul smelling, B. lochia, serosa, C. Lochia alba, D. Lochia rubra. Right answer is Lochia rubra, D. Which of the following would the nurse assess following assessment of vital sign in a patient who has undergone epidural? A. Ability to move legs sideways, B. Bladder distension, C. Dizziness, D. Headache. Right answer is B. Bladder distension. After epidural anesthesia, perineal area is the last area to return to sensation, so the nurse should monitor the patient for distended bladder to determine if the sensation is returned. Management of hyperkalemia include administration of A. Insulin plus glucose, B. Normal saline, C. Potassium chloride, D. Magnesium sulfate. Right answer is B. Normal saline. Insulin with glucose can cause a shift of potassium into the cell and that way helps to reduce serum potassium level. Other drugs used in the treatment of hyperkalemia including calcium gluconate, alkalizing agent, example sodium bicarbonate and loop diuretics. Which of the following tests is used to assess distance vision? Rennes test, B. Hirschsprung test, C. Optometry, D. Snellen chart. Right answer is D. Snellen chart. Which of the following structure control the amount of light rays entering the eye? A. Pupil, B. Iris, C. Lens, D. An, B. Right answer is pupil and iris. The iris and pupil control how much light to let into the back of the eye. When it is very dark out, pupil are very large. Letting in more light, the pupil size controlled by the dilator and sphincter muscles of the iris. एक इसमें होता है next, lead poisoning is also known as A. Asterixis, B. Plumbism, C. Plummer Vision syndrome, D. Prader-Willi syndrome. Right answer is B. Plumbism. Lead poisoning is a type of metal poisoning and a medical condition in humans and other vertebrates caused by increased level of the heavy metal leads in the body. Lead poisoning is also known as plumbism. In following mainly, which hormone is responsible for ejection of milk from the glands into the lactiferous sinuses and ducts? Oxytocin, B. Prolactin, C. Estrogen, and D. LH. Right answer is A. Oxytocin. Oxytocin mainly which hormone is responsible for ejection of milk from the glands into the lactiferous sinus and ducts. When a child is damaged, when a client is diagnosed with aplastic anemia, the nurse monitor for changes in which of the following psychological function? A. Bleeding tendencies, B. Intake and output, C. Peripheral sensation, and D. Bowel function. Right answer is A. Bleeding tendencies. Aplastic anemia decrease the bone marrow production of RBCs, WBCs, and platelet. The client is at risk of bruising and bleeding tendency. B. Changes in the intake and output is important, but assessment for the potential for bleeding takes priority. Option C. Change in the peripheral nervous system is priority problem specific to client with vitamin B12 deficiency. And option D is changes in the bowel function is not associated with aplastic anemia. Which of the following disorder results from a deficiency of factor 8? Sickles cell disease, Christmas disease, hemophilia A, hemophilia B, anti-hemophilic factor A 8, option C, hemophilia A. Intravenous heparin therapy is ordered for a client. While implementing this order, a nurse ensure that which of the following medication is available on the nursing unit. A. Vitamin K. B. aminocaproic acid. C. potassium chloride. D. protamine sulfate. हिपेरिन में प्रोटामाइन सल्फेट देते हैं और वारफरिन में विटामिन के। तो इसमें जो राइट आंसर होगा डी होगा, हिपेरिन का प्रोटामाइन सल्फेट। द नर्स एक्सपेक्टेड that a client with mitral stenosis would demonstrate symptom associated with congestion in the aorta, right atrium, superior vena cava, pulmonary circulation. Right answer is D, pulmonary circulation. When mitral stenosis is present, the left atrium has difficulty emptying its content into the left ventricle. Hence, because there is no valve to prevent backward flow into the pulmonary vein, the pulmonary circulation is under pressure. For a patient with advanced chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which nursing action best promote adequate gas exchange? A. Encouraging the patient to drink 3 glasses of fluid daily, keeping the patient in semi-fowler position, using a high flow venturi mask to deliver oxygen as prescribed, administering a sedative as prescribed. Right answer is C, using a high flow venturi mask to deliver oxygen as prescribed. A male patient's X-ray result reveals bilateral while outs, indicating adult respiratory distress syndrome. This syndrome results from cardiogenic pulmonary edema, B. respiratory alkalosis, C. increased pulmonary capillary permeability, and D. renal failure. Right answer is C, increased pulmonary capillary permeability. A male client with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is recovering from a myocardial infarction. Because the client is extremely weak and cannot produce an effective cough, the nurse should monitor closely for A. pleural effusion, B. pulmonary edema, C. atelectasis, and D. oxygen toxicity. Right answer is C, atelectasis. A nurse is caring for a client with diabetic ketoacidosis and documents that the client is experiencing Kussmaul respiration. Based on this documentation, which of the following did the nurse observe? A. respiration that are abnormally deep, regular, and increase in rate. B. respiration that are regular but abnormally slow. Respiration that are labored and increase in depth and rate. D. respiration that cause the several seconds. Right answer is A. respiration that are abnormally deep, regular, and increase in rate. Kussmaul respiration are abnormally deep, regular, and increase in rate. Which of the following would be expected outcome for a client recovering from a upper respiratory tract infection? The client will maintain a fluid intake of 800 ml every 24 hours, experience chill only once a day. C. Cough productivity without chest discomfort. D. Experience less nasal obstruction and discharge. Right answer is D. Experience less nasal obstruction and discharge. And last question: which of the following diet would be most appropriate for a client with COPD? Low fat, low cholesterol, bland soap diet, low sodium diet, high calorie, high protein diet. Right answer is D, high calorie, high protein diet. आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, कमेंट करके हमें बताना, और आप अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना, क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स हम ऐसे ही वीडियो लेके आते रहेंगे। और हमने जो मेहनत करी है उस मेहनत का आप कम से कम एक लाइक ज़रूर कर देना, जिससे कि हमें मोटिवेशन मिल जाए आगे और वीडियो बनाने के लिए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, बाय बाय, फॉर ऑल द बेस्ट योर एग्ज़ाम।